So hi everyone, welcome to the All In Trade. So guys, I think we can start right now. So guys, first of all, I would like to say sorry for delay so much, but actually some problems were occurring regarding this trading. So first of all, let me check from the 300 and minute time duration. We can do the 2 minutes and time frame. We have to use like 1 minute. So Japanese candlesticks will perfectly work after this, as you can see here, guys. And we can use the Asia composite and all. Wow, so there is new official Trump meme here, guys. So we will use today official all in trade. Maybe it name on the Trump. Okay guys, let's check one down trade here because it's just moving right now in the down and down and down and down. So we make for the 2 minute duration. Before this you can see like three profitable trades actually happen with the 5 minutes I make it, but at this moment I will use here for the 2 minutes. So So guys, as you can see, our trade, like I can close this trade with the profit of the plus 6 dirham, but actually right now it came a little bit on the upper side. So it's showing now like if I close this trade, then I will lost only 18 dirham. So we are still in the profit. I will get like 246 dirham in the profit amount if I will wait here. So obviously I will wait here, but now it's showing like loss. But for how much time? We have like, oh, guys, 1 second, guys. It's 5 minutes here. Guys, there is one main thing I will say. It's error, but it's not error actually. The trades you have to make always here with the 5 minutes because for the 2 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 4 minute, it is not able to make short trades. We can't make here short trades. We have to make here a high trade of the 5 minutes. So let me increase. Let me show you 5 minutes, 6 minutes before 5 minutes, like 1 minute, 2, 3, 4. We can't make any trades between the 4 minutes. But if you will make the trade on this official Trump meme, then we have to put the duration of the profit and duration of the trade 5 minutes. So as you can see by yourself here, duration is 5 minutes, and in this duration, what we have to do, guys, just wait for the 5 minutes for getting the result officially. So this is like, I will say, it is a like a drawback because if I am thinking to make the trade as I always make with the 2 minutes, and maximum I can make it like 3 minutes, but I rarely make the 5 minute trades because for this we have to wait a lot of time. I think everyone is listening now. So guys, what do you think? This is going to be profit or not? Because at this moment it's trying to move in the upward direction. If we look at the history, then it's just moving down and down. See, from here it went down, then little bit upward, then down, then little bit upward, then down, and now it can be like move a little bit upward, then come back again to the downside. So for the 5-minute durations we have to think a lot of. So let's see now, it will move to the upward or downward, because we can't make this trade under the 5 minutes. We have to make this trade in 5 minutes. So that's why let's just like wait here. Guys, anyone want to say like we have to make the up trade or down trade? Because this is going to be the only 55 seconds remaining now. And it's moving, actually it's moving right now in the 1 second guys. Let me check first of all the Japanese candlestick momentum lines, oscillator momentum lines with the momentum. So we use, and now guys, at this moment these momentum lines are trying to move in the upward direction, as you can see by yourself. So 23 seconds remaining, and I don't think it will come back here on the downward. It is trying to move in the upward direction. If I make this trade in the upward downward, then it is like beneficial. If I close this trade now, let me show you how we can close this trade. If I close this trade like 120 dirham, I will lost only. So what do you think? We have to make the close, or we have to make and we have to stay here? I think we have to stay here because it is now coming in the profitable direction after a movement. Now 50 seconds remaining here. See guys, our one trade, like before these 4 trades, 3 trades was actually like profitable, then it was in the loss, but it's okay. Now we are waiting here for the 4 minutes, and they are moving right now in the upward direction. So let's wait here guys. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment chat. I open the comment chat for everyone, so they will like write anything. They can comment anything. So this is like today newly launched on the all-in trade, like official Trump meme. So guys, what I have to say now, I will say one thing, like you can also invest here, or because this is like officially new assessed, and it seems like interesting. Yes, because it is started by the all-in official Trump, and it can give a huge profit. So you have to like make it. Now just 3 minutes left, and we have to make the we have to wait here for 3 minutes. So 5 minutes I'm going to make the another trade in the upper direction, when it will come to the little bit to the downside. So it came in the profitable. I can close this trade, but I don't want to close it here because I will invest here in the upper direction again. So we can wait for the 15 seconds, so we can actually know where this trade direction will move. So guys, the main thing is that we have to focus always here. We have to look at the perfect time. We can't miss the actual time when it seems like that this is going to be profitable. So now 2 minutes left. 2 minutes will decide. 3 minutes already gone. 3 minutes already passed. Our one beginning trade becomes the loss. This is the second trade which I make in front of you. Before these 3 profitable trades actually happen here, you can see by your own eyes. So now we have to check this. I have to show you all of them, those who are watching right now, like it will move to the profitable or not. Jackson Marvin, hi bro. I hope everyone is doing pretty well. So let's wait for only 1 minute 30 seconds guys. What do you think? I have to make the second trade in the downward or upward? Today I will make only I will make all the trades only on the official Trump meme. See guys, if I make it for the 2 minutes, then of course this is moving perfectly in the profitable direction, but now it's trying to move in the downward, and because of the 1 minute we can get this loss. before the last 4 minutes it was giving perfectly awesome profitable amount. So I think this is going to be the loss. Then I will use the martingale strategy for recover the two losses. And let's check. Only 40 seconds remaining, guys. I make the second trade. Let's check this is moving to the profitable or not. Well, it is also came in the profitable. Only 30 seconds remaining, guys. It has to be moved perfectly in the upper direction, because if it will still remain in the upward direction, then we obviously get the profitable after the 15 seconds. Well, let's count. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So guys, this is the new official all-in trade, and this is like official. So guys, you can see here, this is the official Trump meme, and this is giving like huge profits, as you can see here now. And this is the highest amount which I am using here right now, 800 dirham. So guys, let me show you one new official Trump meme. This is the new assessed which is going to be profitable right now, and before this you can see the profits. So let's join up the live stream, guys. Only 3 minutes 35 seconds remaining now. What do you think, guys? This will move in the upper direction or it will go move to the downside? So this profit recover almost this amount in the loss. Now we have to wait how much time? So guys, well, it turned back to the downside and we invested here 800 dirham. If I want to like close this trade right now, then it will give me the return amount of like 496. I can close this trade on this amount. So, but actually I want to stay here. I want to look actually where it will finish. This trade which I made recently here, it was also like from the last 4 minutes it was going to be profitable, but in the end moment it went to the loss and then it come back again in the profitable amount. So we can stay here, we can make it again. You also have to stay here, because I'm also trying first time today on this official Trump meme assessed. You can also invest here, guys. Right now it came back again to the downside. As you can see, for a moment it was moving to the upward, and actually it's just coming to the down and down and down and down. Still now it's moving to the down. So 4 seconds remaining now and 30 seconds remaining now. It doesn't look like that it is going to be profitable. Well, it already moved to the upper direction. 5 minutes we have to wait here, and it's coming to the profitable. The recently which I make, guys, did you notice like when I'm making the profitable trades like in the starting, so it will move like perfectly for the profitable direction. But that's why I told you like we can use the short time trade so we can get the profits there. As you can see here right now, I make 5 minutes. If I will make it like for 2 minutes, then obviously I will get the profit of the 800 dirham. But actually I just lost because it was trade of the 5 minutes. And 5 minutes we can't assume like where it will move exactly. So in the short time duration, we can imagine like it will move to the upper direction, it will move to the downside. So we can face this problem right now. But actually I make the up trade here. So we have to make here, we have to wait here, and let's see in the exactly time in the downside it's moving right now. So it will move again to the upper direction or downward direction. Now only 38 seconds remaining. So guys, if you have any doubts you can ask me, because I will finish this live stream after 20 minutes. I will finish this stream. So see, it went completely to the downward. Now it's came to the upward. But actually in the end movement it will remain to the downside, because the Japanese candlesticks from the continuous from the last 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes they are trying to move to the downside. That's why the previous trade become the loss. Well, 2 minutes 51 seconds we have to wait. Well, the wait is too much. That's why short times are always best for me. So 20 seconds remaining now. See guys, it came perfectly in the upper direction, but in the end movement it again trying to move to the downside. So for long duration it depends, it happens like this. And one thing I want to tell you guys, if you are going to be invest, like if you are beginners, if you are like making the trade first time, then you have to learn basic things easily here. Like you don't need to make complicated things on the Olymp trade. You can just like use the Japanese candlestick. There are two Japanese candlestick, bearish and reddish color. We call it like bullish. So bearish candlestick is the green one, bullish is the red one, and there are like several patterns. If you will know, you read the books regarding the trades, then you will understand about which Japanese candlesticks I am talking here. So we are just using now normal Japanese candlesticks. And momentum lines, don't forget momentum lines, because momentum lines have a perfect role with these Japanese candlestick. If the momentum lines are moving in the upper direction, Japanese candlestick will also follow the same direction of the momentum lines. They will also move in the upward direction. If momentum lines moving to the downside, as you can see the blue line is moving down, Japanese candlestick coming to the down. If blue line move upward, Japanese candlestick will go back upward. Now only 1 minute left in this duration. We check a lot of things. It was coming perfectly in the profitable direction, but in the end movement right now it's came back again to the upward. So it's right now profitable, but here the lines are moving to the downside. We still have the risk chance. So let's wait for the 40 seconds, and this 40 seconds will decide our final result, where this candlesticks will exactly finish. Guys, what do you think? You can write in the comment chat, this is going to be profitable or loss. Asad, Mr. Rahul, 17 seconds remaining guys, only 17 seconds remaining. Now only 10 seconds remaining, and this is going to be profitable finally. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is awesome profit. So guys, a new profit came. this recovered half amount of this, and because I invested here 400 dirham. So now we can make another trade in the upward direction, because at this moment it's trying to move in the upward, but actually here the blue lines are moving to the downside. So we can like stay here, we can wait for a moment, so we can be sure completely like this is going to be the upper side or this is going to be the lower side. At this moment it's trying to move in the upward. Let's see exactly where it will move and where it will finish. Guys, these momentum lines are really very important, because they decided our results, where they will move, where they will finish. Everything depends on these. So guys, 10 minutes I will do the trade, and I will like in the 10 minutes I'm going to make like 2 trades. Okay guys. I am going to make the 2 trades here right now. Let me check I have to make in the upward or downward. Well guys, I am trying to make one trade of the 400 dirham in the upward direction. It can come back to the downside, doesn't matter. Already we are in the profitable amount, there is no big losses, only 400 invest 400 dirham. I am the loss right now, but if I make it like on the downside, then it will be like amazing, because it is right now moving and trying to move to the downside, but also trying to move in the upper direction. But for how much time it will exactly move in the upward direction, we have to check it. We have to stay here, we have to wait for the 4 minutes and 25 seconds guys. Guys, you can like give your opinion. It will move to the upward or downward. At this moment, it's trying to move in the upper direction, right? Well, for how much time? Because it's now trying to move to the downside, and actually it's moving right now to the downside. Well, I will make the next trade in the downward when it will move a little bit in the upper direction, and it's trying here right now to moving in the upward. Let me zoom it so you can watch it perfectly and clearly. 4 minutes left, and actually it's now trying to move to the downside, and I'm thinking to make one trade in the upper direction again here, because the Japanese candlestick is turned back to the downside here, and still it has the chances to make a trade in the upper direction, but for how much time? Because it's not seems that it will come back to the downside. But I will make one more trade in the upward direction. As you can see, when it will come back a little bit to the downside, then I will make one more trade in the upper direction. "30 seconds remaining now, and 2 minutes 30 seconds for our this recently third trade which I am going to make here. For this we have to wait here guys. Well, I will not say anything, because at this moment it was trying in the upward. When it came to the downside, I was just making a upward trade at this point, on this point where I'm indicating right now, but actually it just went in the upward, and I just click here like this, because sometimes these Japanese candlesticks very rapidly move in any directions against our trade directions. Well, this is the new trading, new assessed. It will take time to adapt their habits, their actions, like where it move. Almost as I understand here, it's just trying to move in the down and down and down. Still it's trying to move to the down. If I make it these all trades on the downward, then of course we will get the 2 times profitable amount, because one is here and it's very far from the olive trade. And this trade, the Japanese candlestick, which is right now moving to the downside, it's very far from this line, and this seems like that they will move to the downside again. If I make any one trade in the down direction from here, then obviously they will give me the profitable amount. Guys, if you want to ask anything, you can write in the comment chat. Or let's make one more trade with the 800 last trade I'm going to make here, guys. Guys, one last trade I'm going to making here. When it will come back again to the downside, then I will make it in the upward direction, because 18 seconds remaining now, and it doesn't seem like that it is going to be profitable here right now, because it is very far from this trade line. A spinner Japanese candlestick form here. Well, it's trying to move now in the upward direction. Let's make one trade in the upward direction. Okay. So guys, this is my last trade. Doesn't matter it gives the profit or loss. We have to just wait here for the next 5 minutes, and I will finish this live stream after the 5 minutes. So I hope this will becomes the profit, because 5 minutes are more enough time to look at the trade on the screen. If I make the for the 2 minutes, then I will get all these profitable amounts. But because of the there are no options to decrease, to make the trade with 2 minutes on this assessed. And maybe you are thinking like, why I'm using this trade if I'm not satisfied with this 2 minutes. So guys, I'm just showing you like this is the best seems today, because this is a new assessed, and you also have to try on this official Trump meme. So let's wait here now, and let's make the last trades, and after that we will say goodbye to everyone. Before going to say goodbye to everyone, I would like to say that, guys, today is the marathon day, and you can also invest here. You can also to participate in our marathon, because marathon always start from the Friday till Sunday, like 3 days it start, but on the Friday it actually happen after the streaming. So after this you will get notification regarding the marathon. You can join it, because it will increase your chances to get the more profitable trades. Well, actually it's just now moving to the downside. It came very far from the upper trade. It was there, now it's coming to the down and down. Well, we have to wait still for the 3 minutes, and 3 minutes are really too much time. Well, I will finish this live stream after the 3 minutes. So guys, what do you want to say? Like this is moving to the upward or not? The second trade becomes the loss. Now everything is depending on this trade. If I make this trade right now in the upper direction, then it has the chances to make the profitable, because it's already moved from the 5 minutes to the downward, and I was just making the trade in the upper direction. So now we have to check here, like it actually moved to the downside, or it can come back again to the upper direction. So guys, it's now last trade of the 2 days. stream. $25 seconds. What do you think, guys? We have to make one trade more in the upper direction or not? Two trades profitable, two trades are here lost. There is like neutral amount till now. This is only the amount which can be lose, but still have the chances to get the profitable, because we have like 1 minute 19 seconds, and here this Japanese candlestick is trying to move in the upward direction. But actually it will move to the upward. Surely it will move to the upward, but not in 1 minute. It can move like after 2-3 minutes. So there is always time gap. You can also join the Telegram channel and subscribe the YouTube channel, so you will not miss any informations when I'm coming to the live. You will just get the notification that Rahul Binary Voice is going to be live right now, and you can get the chance to get some knowledge on this all-in trade platform. It's very easy, safe, legal, and easily withdrawal, easily deposit. Everything is here like easy. You can just try. If you will watch me, then you will understand why I am saying like everything is very simple here, because it's really working like this. And now the time is going to finish. It's just still moving to the downside. Well, we can say goodbye to everyone because the time is going to be finished now. Or now I am thinking to make like one trade in the downward direction, but I think for the next week we can make the trade in the upper, or not upper, down. It will decided by the time. But we will surely make on this all-in trade next time also. For today, it's enough. I just came to introduce you regarding the official Trump meme. So guys, let's say goodbye to everyone. See you soon on the next live stream on the next week. For today, it's enough. Have a good day to everyone, and I'm going to say goodbye to everyone. Those who came here, I'm really thankful that we are talking with each other. So let's say goodbye to everyone. See you soon in the next live stream. So guys, by now it's time to move in the upward. If you are still here, then you can just make in the up trade, and you can easily make the trades here. We will talk further in the next live stream. So bye guys. Hello guys. So guys, everything is working perfectly. Let's wait 1 minute and we will start. I just need only 1 minute, so we can discuss and we can wait for the newcomers, those who are joining the live stream. So guys, after 1 minute, I will continue the live stream. So don't go anywhere, just stay here. Well, there is error came again here. I don't know why. So guys, many peoples are watching right now, and I think we can start from the starting. So guys, you can see like in front of everyone on the screen, like there are the Japanese candlestick and the momentum line. So what we have to do here, we don't have to do anything. We just stay here and we will continue the live stream. I will show you the live proofs of the like how to make the trading with the biggest amounts of the profit also. So we have to let me show you like one trade. So after that, like you will feel free and you will understand everything like how it is exactly working. So guys, as you can see on the screen, it is like now right moving. So I'm just making the first trade in the upward direction on the Asia Composite Index. This is going here. So guys, let's see. Today the Japanese candlesticks are working perfectly, and now we have to just check here like it is moving perfectly or not. So guys, it's completely moving in the profitable direction, in the upper direction. As you can see, it's not like just gradually increasing. I make the 2 minute duration with the 300 drum. So you can watch by yourself, like it's now coming in the profitable direction, like positive drum of the 912, and it's moving continuously in the profitable direction. So now I think I can make the another trade also here because it's a perfectly moving, and we can take like another risk free trade, we can say this, because it's moving continuously in the upward direction. So guys, only 24 seconds remaining and it's just moving in the upward direction. Let me do one thing. Yes, now it's more better to look here. So guys, now I'm thinking to make the another trade because the first trade is going to be profitable, as you can see here, and it's done. So our first trade was completely profitable. Now we can check the another trade, it moves to the upward or not. We can wait here some minutes, but I think already the first trade was become the profitable, then it just like move it to the upward direction. Okay guys, so let's make 2 minute upward or not. Okay, let it be finished. Only 10 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, now it can just change the direction. So I'm just like making one trade in the upward direction again. But it has like chances to come back to the downside as it is moving perfectly right now. Like it's trying to move to the downside. So for how much time we have to stay here? One more thing guys, if you have any questions, like you can just so guys, if you have any questions, you can stay you can ask in the directly comment section, which is all like open for everyone. BGAD, yes. Well, BGAD, I'm glad that you are still here and you are watching it perfectly. So guys, only 1 minute 10 seconds remaining now. Let's see. Guys, what do you think? This is going to be profitable or loss? Like you can write in the comment section. Everyone can judge. Everyone can make the decision like it is moving to the profitable or loss. So just write in the comment section and tell me like it's going to be profit or loss. From my side, I'm saying that it is moving perfectly in the profitable direction. Only 3, 2, 1, and it's done. So guys, second profitable done with the completely successful trade, continuous 2 trades completely successful, and still it's trying to move in the upper direction. So I was making 300, 300, 2 times I make the profitable direction. Guys, let's make one more trade in the upward direction or like in the downward direction. Okay, I just make the third trade in the upward direction, but it is now trying to move in the downward direction. But who knows when it turn back again to the upward direction? So let's wait here. So guys, 32 seconds now, 30 seconds now, 28 seconds now, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. And now it seems like it is also moving to the profitable direction. What do you think, guys? Write in the comment chat. Are you also sure about this? Like it is moving to the profitable direction in the upward? or it is not profitable. Only 1 minute left, guys. I will just only suggest one thing like you can use and you can make the trades with the small amounts. And guys, it is now changing our direction. Did you say it's like came in the loss from the last 1 minute 30 seconds? It was completely profitable, but now it's changing the direction and it's moving like little bit in the downside. But let's wait 10 seconds and 15 seconds there. Just because of the 10 seconds, it's giving the loss. Okay, now let's change also our direction in the downside. So guys, I'm making here now because like already two trades was become like profits continuously, and now if two trades will become continuously loss, then it's like neutral amount. So I will surely take this risk without any thinking because already two times profitable amount. And I hope this will work out like because they rapidly gradually increasing in the upward direction, then the trend is moving now to the downward direction, so it has the chances to make it like profitable. So after this we will get like three profitable trades and one loss. And now it's moving to the downside. Fourteen, 13, 12. Only 10 seconds remaining, guys, and 35 seconds remaining for our getting the profit result. Six, five, four, three, two, one, and it's become profitable as in front of everyone, guys. So now let's check it. So guys, I'm going to make the another trade in the downward direction because it seems like that. Okay, so I make here one down trade because as you can see, it is forming like a dome shape, like a temple shape in the um, like this structure. So continuously 2, 4, 6, 8 bearish candlesticks like green candlesticks was moving in the upward direction. Then now it can like do the same thing to move exactly to the downside. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now it's moving. So of course it seems like it is going to be profitable. So guys, you can write in the comment section. Three profitable trades was successfully done, and now this is going to be the fourth profitable trade. Only 52 seconds remaining now. And guys, completely successful trade. Why I got like 4 profitable trades continuously? Because there was only one reason. Uh, as when you will see this type of structures like which is forming in the upper direction continuously, and after that you will see like a dome shape structure is forming. So of course it will try to move to the downside. Let's make one more trade in the downward direction. Why I am making to the downside? Because there is one reason. It was continuously moving in the upward, then now it's moving to the downward, and like too much chances that it will come back again to the downside. If it doesn't work like this, if it doesn't move to the downside, then it's okay, it's normal. We are still in the profitable. And only now how much time is remaining? 36 seconds. 15 seconds, but this is moving like actually in the loss, so it's okay guys. We can check now like it's changed the direction again, right? It came here, now it's changing the direction. As you can see, two Japanese candlesticks are like engulfing each other, but they are actually they are not engulfing. They just form the same size in both sell and buy, like down and upward. So now it's just moving to the upward, but it can try to come back in the downside. So for a moment we can take a break. Okay guys, so no need to go anywhere, just stay here. Let's take a break. Twenty-two seconds now. 15 seconds now. 14 seconds now. 13, 12, 11, 10. And let's make one upward trade. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, it was also near to this. So it formed this line till here, till this Japanese candlestick. And now it come back again in the upward direction. So it's just moving in the upward direction continuously. Well, guys, will you imagine one thing, like when I just make the trade in like upper direction, then it try to move to the downside. If I'm making the trade in the upward direction, then it will try to move to the downside. So we got 2 losses and 4 profitable trades, and the success rate is like 67% is the success rate. So guys, no need to worry about anything, still we are in the more profitable, and if this will move in the profitable, then 5 profitable trades will become us. So let's see, only 1 minute 23 seconds remaining now. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining now. 22 seconds. Well, guys, it was really completely moving in the upper direction, but it changed the direction and moving to the downside because the Japanese candlesticks right now they just went to the downside. So Japanese candlesticks just following the direction and they just change. So now it like seems both things can happen here. Oh, so it's completely visible now. Now it's just moving to the downside. If I make the trade for 1 minute, then of course this trade will become till now profitable. So let's see. Well, it's awesome, but I don't think it will remain till in the upper direction. It will come to the downside right now. Only 10 seconds remaining now. 8, 7. Let's see, guys. It's very interesting. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes. So, guys, 5 profitable trades. I told you anything can happen. Last second always matter because our result is always decided by the last Japanese candlesticks. So, guys, what do you think about the trading? It is really cool. Very fantastic thing. Even I am just making the trades on the Asia Composite Index continuously. And 40 seconds now. 38 seconds. So 23 seconds now. 18 seconds now. 15 seconds now. 12 seconds now. Let's check the another composite index, guys. They are moving perfectly or not. So guys, we can make one trade in the downside or not. Like SA Composite Index is giving the highest percentage rate for the profitable trade today. So it's better to make like continuously in the upward direction. Let's take one risky trade. Or guys, I can show you like risk-free trades. As you can see, there are risk-free trades of the. I have like how many free risk trades is like 89. 89 trades I have the risk-free trades in which like I have the highest amounts also like 185 dirham. I have 9 times. It means like 200 dirham multiply by 9. So 1800 approx I have this. And 73 dirham is 40 times. 18.5 dirham is 8 times. And 37 dirham is 10 times. And 110 dirham I have it 22 times. It means I can make any of these trades without any losses. These are like my beneficial point. Without any losses I can make here completely. And now, so now let's see. And you remember, guys, like I always came from the last 1 month, I was coming online on the Telegram channel because I was sharing um, live signals when I was doing. Like as I am making here right now um, trades. So I just give these signals to the Telegram channel. So those who are watching me that time, they just get continuously profitable trades. And now let's move to the upper direction. So guys, finally after a moment, I make the sixth profitable trade. Well, this is moving up, down, up, down. It is moving right now to the down. So let's see exactly where it is moving. It will move to the upward or not. Guys, what do you think? It is moving to the profitable or not? Well, anything can happen. Anything is possible. If I make it just for like 1 minute trade, then it will become the risky because as you can see, only 5 seconds remaining to show the profit or loss, and it's coming to the profit right now, and it is still in the profitable direction. That's cool. If I make this trade for 1 minute, it is obviously will give me the profit, but as we always make, as I always make in the upper direction, so of course I just make it to the upward direction. Well, now Japanese candlestick size is very small forming. You can see by your own eyes the Japanese candlesticks are forming very short sizes. So 30 seconds remaining and they will decide it, like it will move to the upper profitable or not. So 32 seconds remaining now. 27 seconds, 26, 25, 24. Well, it's not moving to the profitable. It's actually just moving right now in the upper direction. And when I will make one upper direction here, so it become finally loss. Now we have to change maybe the pair, and we came here like it was moving till here. So we started this trade from this time, and it is like finished how many minutes, and it came back here like 30 minutes. 30 trades are going to be here. I make this Japanese candlestick for 1 minute, so you can see we can easily changing the time. But let me, oh well, I thought I make the down trade, but actually it didn't apply. But now it's applied and it's moving now in the upward direction. So 1 minute, 40 seconds remaining now. Guys, what is your opinion? What is your suggestion on this right now? Life unscripted. Hey, hi bro, Asad. Why your trade time is different than mine? Actually, it is different. Maybe due to the country reasons, and maybe due to the uh, mainly it is happening because of the time gap. As I'm speaking right now, this voice is reaching to you after like some seconds, so it will take time because of the internet. Sometimes internet doesn't work like very stable, rapidly, so it will take time, some seconds. That's why you are getting like a little bit difference here. And also it is also depend the main another the another reason is that it is also depend on the country reasons, like these things are happening different in different countries. So now, anybody have another questions, you can ask directly. This is going to be the sixth profitable trade right now. Only 20 seconds remaining now, guys. So it was become perfectly six profitable trades right now here. We have to make like one. I want to make one continuously trade in the profit direction, so I can make and send a video in the Telegram channel, guys. So I hope this will work at this time. Two, one. So guys, what do you think? It is moving to the upper direction or downward direction? I think it is moving right now to the downside. So let's see. Oh, it changed the direction. It's completely changed in the upward direction. So guys, let's wait and tell me exactly this will move to the upward or not. Well, I don't care about the result, like it will give me the profit or loss, because I already get the profitable amounts here. It changed the direction finally. The Japanese candlestick is moving very longer size. Thirty seconds remaining now. Guys, do you think have any chances that it will come back again to the downside? 12 seconds remaining. It will be like very awesome. It will move here to the downside. Well, let me show you why I was. Uh, See, it came here, but because of 1 second, it turned back again to the upward direction, and that's why it become the loss. The profitable trade just become the loss because of the 0.5 seconds, not even 1 second, just because of the just because of the 0.5 seconds, I will say. 15 seconds, 10 seconds. So guys, 41, 40. Let's make the another trade. In which direction you will tell me? 15 seconds. Okay, let's make another trade. Which direction you would prefer? Forty-three seconds. 35 seconds. 15. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it suddenly changed the direction, right? It was awesome. Okay, let's take one more trade. Now it's turning back again to the downside, right? So for how much time it will move to the downside? And we have like 10 minutes, guys. After 10 minutes, the live stream will be finished. Do you know, guys, what I'm doing right now? I'm just trying to make a down trade because it's like moving rapidly there. But also it's trying to move, come back again, and it's trying to move in the upward direction. Both things are happening. So guys, the suggestion and is that no need to make any trades right now because it can be little bit risky. The graphs are not moving exactly. They are not in the market stable. They are changing every second up and down. So just stay, don't do anything, relax and wait for the perfect time. Perfect time always gives the good result here, guys. As you can see, now it came back again to the downside, right? If I make the last trade in the downside, then obviously it will give me the huge profit. So let's see. It's coming in the profitable, already 6 profitable trades. Still our profit rate is high. 55% is the profitable rate, guys. So just chill and relax. Still we are in the neutral, more than neutral amount. We are in the profitable amount. Well, now it will like do the 50-50 percentage if this will becomes the loss, because now I make the trade to the downside, but it's trying to move in the upper direction. Well, it's also going to be maybe. So guys, what do you think now? I am thinking that it will be move in the upward direction. Okay, so let's come back to the point. 16 seconds remaining, but it will not seems like it will gives the profit because it's exactly moving in the upper direction at this moment. So actually we can make one more trade here now. So let's check our. See guys, now we came in neutral amount, 6 profitable trades in the starting. After that it was moving irregular. So I'm just showing you these trades so you will stop yourself. Don't make trades every each time and every seconds, because it's not a surety that they will make the profitable trades every seconds. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. 20 seconds now. At this moment it seems like it is trying to move in the downside, but actually it's trying to move in the upside, so it has the chances to move in the upper direction. And if I make this like for 600 dirham, then it will obviously give me the profitable. So 57 seconds remaining now. So guys, now this success rate 50 percentage, it will increase and it will like awesome. Now it's moving awesome. 38 seconds remaining, it will increase like same as 55 percentage, and this is like baseline success rate. So now it will move to the upper direction, and it is happening the exactly same in the, as you can see. How much percentage is that? 50 percentage right now. So it will try to change the direction, and here it is moving just only in the upward direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's gave me already the result. So as you can see, the 54 percentage actually it make the increment here, and 7 profitable trades are done here. So guys, in like just 40 minutes approx, it's making like 70 percentage, 7 profitable trades, which is like very huge amount, and still it's trying to move in the upper direction. So we are already in the profitable direction, and I think like it's not necessary to make continuous trade without any exact information and exact time. So stay here, and we will just finish this live stream. Thirteen seconds now. 9 seconds. So guys, what do you think? Like, I have to make one another trade in the upward direction, or I have to like stay here? What do you think, guys? So guys, now it's time to say goodbye everyone, because my time is going to be finished now. I was already here from the last 5 minutes. Oh, sorry. Not 5 minutes, actually I'm here from the last 1 hour. So when my quota will finish like for 1 hour, because some days I just decide to make the stream for 2 hours, some days, sometimes actually. So sometimes I decide to make it like for 1 hour 30 minutes. And when I did on the live stream on the Telegram channel, that time I was like making it 30 minutes. So guys, actually the main thing is that time doesn't matter here actually, like for how much time I'm doing the streaming. The main thing is that if you are interested, then you have to join the live stream. You have to come here. You have to give your own precious time for getting some knowledge is here. Because if you will not do anything, you will just like come, join, watch, look how it's going. It's showing the profit or loss, and you just run away from here. Then nothing will change, nothing will happen. So guys, for making some profitable amounts, you have to watch the live stream every time whenever I'm doing. So from the next time, like we will meet on the Friday. So guys, see you soon everyone on the Friday. And after 2 minutes, I will say goodbye to everyone. Or maybe I am going to make one last trade here. Let me think about it. So guys, when you will get like profitable amounts already, then don't do anything, just stay here. Because if you are making profitable trades, then there is no mean to make the continuous trades every time, every seconds. You can take a gap, you can relax, you can take some cold drinks and chill your mind, be relaxed. Relaxed mind is always matter, guys, because if you are losing, then you will become like stress. If you are getting the profits, then like walle walle wah wah wah. So guys, everything depends here. And for these things, like I hope we will meet soon. Of course I will come here, it depends on you. Those who are watching me right now, like they will join this stream again or not. Every time I see new faces, new peoples, and it like really interesting to talk with them. So guys, have a good day to everyone, those who came here. And now it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Well, if you are still here, you want to make the trade, then you can just make right now in the upward direction. It is moving for the 1 minute actually. So already I got the 7 profitable trades. And now let's say bye bye everyone. You can see, as I told you, it is moving in the upward direction, and actually it's moving in the upward direction right now. So guys, bye. Guys, I told you, it is moving to the upward direction. So bye everyone. See you soon on the Friday. Friday evening. Fix this time in your notebook, pen, pencil, anywhere. Or you can, if you are already joined the Telegram channel, then you will get the link of the YouTube streaming or for the Telegram streaming. Actually, I will now decided to make the streamings on the YouTube. So on Friday you will get the streaming. You can just subscribe this YouTube channel so you will not miss any updates, and you will get all the informations, notifications when I'm doing something here. So whenever I'm coming the next time to the stream, you can directly join it. So go for right now, let's say goodbye to everyone. See you soon again. Bye bye guys.